This is A to Z, Fragments of Colour by Camille Agar. A. Acrylic. Alignment. B. Budgeting. Brittle. C. Colour. Curve. Cutting. Cellophane. D. Design hub. Drawings. E. Exciting. Errors. Existing conditions. F. Fragments. Furniture. Fixtures. G. Group work. Gradient. H. Holes. Holographic. HD. I. Interior. Iterations. Intricate. J. Juxtaposition. Job number. K. Knowledgeable. L. Laser cutting. Light. Layers. M. Morphing. Multiple. N. Nesting. Narrowing. O. Opacity. Outcome. P. Perspective. Pink. Purple. Plywood. Q. Questions. R. Rearranging. Repetition. Ramp. S. Shadows. Spray adhesive. T. Teamwork. Texture. Transparency. Testing. U. Uniform. Unique. V. Video bomb. W. Walkway. Wall. X. X-axis. X factor. Y. Y-axis. Z. Zoom. Zone. That was A to Z, Fragments of Colour. Thank you for watching.